Can you guess how old is she? Did you notice 3 months of use of this amazing DIY beauty recipe from her mother erased these deep wrinkles? So you want to know how? Keep listening. 3, 2, 1. Hello everybody, this is your Lady Lorda. Today we're going to talk about the number one on the 5 W's to a wise living. That is, W stands for wellness. Wellness includes beauty, taking care of ourselves, especially our skin. So today I'm just gonna focus you on skincare, what I used to prevent, sagging. Hey, it's not sagging, but sagging skin, okay? Inflammation and also wrinkles in the most inexpensive, low end, and a very effective way for me. I'm just talking about myself, and I'm going to share that with you today. So keep listening. This is your Lady Lorda. This is our everyday adventure to this joyful journey to a life of happiness and optimism. My goal really is to entertain you and to give you information in the best way I can that's reliable and tested, at least for myself. So I'm gonna reveal 2 ingredients that I use that you can find right in your kitchen. Keep listening. This is your Lady Lorda. So this is how I look before we use these 2 important ingredients. So I just want to show you the before. So this is the first ingredient. It's Arnica Salve. It's a moisturizer you can buy from your drugstore, local drugstore. And turmeric, you can buy that from your grocery aisles or supermarket. And that's a very popular spice of the world. You can find that anywhere in the world. So what I will do is just get a tablespoon of turmeric and then a teaspoon of the Arnica moisturizer. And then I mixed that 2 ingredients together, as you can see here. And after I mix that, what I do is I'm just gonna mix it very well, and it's not gonna stain because it's a moisturizer. It's not gonna sprinkle on your clothes, but I suggest you wear something dark like black or clothes that you don't mind getting stained. And I cover my entire face and my neck and then keep it for about 20 to 30 minutes. So step 4 is meditate. Walk around your home, or if you have an outside garden, smell the roses if you do have flowers, whatever flowers you have. Step 5 is the final step, which is wash off and do your basic moisturizing process. Ta-da! The result is a smooth, refreshed looking skin. Thanks for